Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can block camera access in your Lava smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to just long press the camera button. Now you have to click on I button. Here you have to block the camera access from here. You can see permissions. Then you can see camera. You have to click on don't allow to capture the photo, and when you just click on it and open the camera, and you can see it is asking for the permission to take pictures and record videos. When you just give the permission, so you can, and if you just don't allow, it will not open the camera. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.